Hey guys, Carlene here, and we are here with
Lani.
Hi, and forgive the appearance of both of us. We just came from a bit of driving. Surviving Trinidad traffic is the worst, especially this time of year. It's carnival time, so everybody out on the road. And I'm sorry I did not tape myself because you all missed out on some serious road rage. Like, serious. But anyways, it's not, this video is not about my road rage. This video is about the Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery bag. You know, a mystery box. And I got the $40 one. I think it's called the deluxe. And there is one called the premium, which is $75. I just want to state off the cuff, this did not cost me $40, Jeffree, because you charged me close to $13 in shipping, and I was like, what difference is fashion? So let me just say that off the cuff, I didn't like that. I really didn't go for like the $75 one, only because I wanted to minimize the amount of wildness, and when I say wildness, like unusable, the colors and stuff, makeup items, because I have been watching quite a bit of unboxings for this mystery box, and apparently there was one for Black Friday as well. And what I noticed is there were a lot of unusable, unwearable, well, I wouldn't say unwearable, but not for like everyday use kind of colors. As much as I love color and stuff like that, hey, I want to be able to like use stuff, you know. You okay, Lani?
Yeah.
What the? Wow. Damn packaging. Wow. Okay, woo! So, I'm already scared because I'm just seeing tissue paper. I suspect very much there is no bubble wrap to protect anything. There's a lot of tissue paper though. Okay, okay. So these are the items here. Lani's already gaga-ing because she already sees something that she's claiming dibs on, and that is the Jeffree Star pop socket. This is supposed to be the exclusive Jeffree accessory. I go about it. Yeah, Lani, you could fix it. You could fix your mix. And with that, folks, she is gone.
No, I still here.
Alright. Okay, next thing I got is a Skin Frost in the shade Regina George. Already know that I can't use this. I was actually hoping for mint condition, would you believe? But look how big this thing is. It's big as your face, honey. Look how big. See? So Regina George. Let's make sure it's not broken, because that was another thing that I noticed too. So this traveled all the way to Trinidad, folks, and it's not broken. So I am... This is nice though. Like, I would wear this Carnival time. So I guess it's kind of appropriate that, you know, Carnival time we get to like watch this. And my other child there now bugging out.
No.
Hey, folks. Alrighty. The next thing I got is a liquid lipstick in the shade Watermelon Soda. Again, not very wearable, but seeing that it is carnival time, I could get away with these things. So there is like some air somewhere in there. So is it that this is old? Is this old Jeffree? Let's see. Let's see how Watermelon Soda. Wow.
Very liquidy.
Very pink. So that is Watermelon Soda right there, folks. It does, Lani pointed out to me, it does smell like watermelon soda.
But Maya do not like the smell of watermelon.
So the next thing I got, and I think this is from his holiday collection, this is the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Clout. I think this is one that was recently launched. Ooh, look at the... Ooh, look at the... You see the...
Look how much glitter.
Look at the glitter on this. Okay, let me see if I could focus. Look at that glitter, y'all. Like, packaging alone is sickening. But again, this is a shade I can't use. I know what Jeffree trying to do here. Ooh. So that's clout there. Maybe I could use them to do cut crease and eyeshadows. Hey, Lani?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this, I mean, the packaging alone looks sickening. And then there is another, this is the last Velour liquid lipstick. And again, this is from the holiday collection that launched the other day. And this is Can't Relate, and I know Can't Relate cannot work on my skin tone. But again, packaging.
Glittery.
It real glittery, yeah? You're not in frame though. Yeah. So let me just swatch Can't Relate. This could work on my fairer tone babes, but not... Or maybe I could like put a lip liner. Maybe I could try it with a lip liner. Let's not give up hope. Maybe I could salvage one wearable thing from this box other than the pop socket, which is like ironic because it's not, I didn't buy it for that, I bought it for the makeup. And then there's one lip ammunition lipstick in the shade Jeffree's Girl, and I already know this color. I don't own any of these.
Oh my god.
Wow, look at it. Okay, he wins on packaging, but Jeffree, I mean, if you're gonna do these mystery boxes, oh god, just don't dump crap on us now. Give us some things we could use. Let me open this. You know? Okay. This is Jeffree's Girl. This is pink. This is Malibu Barbie pink.
Yeah.
Again, I guess I could use it for Carnival, but I mean...
does not like pink that much.
But my thing is this. Anybody buying these mystery boxes because they want to try out Jeffree Star's products and they can't afford to, this is not necessarily going to make sense because you're not going to get a lot of wearable shades. Now granted the, oh crap. Now granted what I got, now the pop socket is here. These are the most wearable shades I've seen in any box, any mystery box given to Jeffree Star. And maybe this could be actually viewed like Valentine themed because it has a lot of pinks. But I saw a lot of boxes where it had crazy colors like green and gray, and I'm like, but that ain't Valentine enough. So Jeffree, couple tips, right? Because I like your stuff, you know. 2018 was a very good year for you, and honestly speaking, I think you either need to like give up on these mystery boxes or seriously sit down and do some strategy thinking on these things. For starters, you need to mix it up with like wearable shades and your cookie shades. I understand you're trying to get rid of stock, but oh god, don't make it look so obvious now. I mean, because a lot of your people's like they're really disappointed from what I saw. A lot of people were really disappointed. You know, getting shades like Crocodile Tears. It's like, who's gonna use that? You know, or gargoyle, things like that. You know, and I know a lot of people, they wanted to get the mystery boxes because they can't typically purchase one of these items on their own or get all of these items, you know, individually. So it's like, yeah, let me get a mystery box. I personally, I actually am surprised, pleasantly surprised with my mystery box. It isn't as bad as I thought it would have been. And I was just telling members in my group I would have like the saltiest look on my face, but I don't. Surprisingly, I don't have the saltiest look on my face. So yeah, and then too, he needs to like mix up the variety because he has so many shades of velour lipsticks liquid lipsticks and so many shades of the Skin Frost and whatnot. I keep seeing like the same shades being repeated over and over and over. And I'm like, but didn't you tell people you're going to give them variety? Oh gosh, give us some variety now. So yeah, so basically that is it for this unboxing. I'm sorry I don't have the salty face. You know, Lani will just give you like facial expressions throughout this video. So, yeah, I'm sorry. Tell me if you got it. I was pretty surprised at how quickly mine shipped out. You know, considering I am in Trinidad, you know, and there are a lot of people in the States right now still waiting on their mystery boxes. I didn't like the fact that I had to pay extra for shipping, you know, and I didn't get a shipping notification. But you know what? It is in the past. I don't know if I will do another one of these mystery boxes. Time will only tell, you know. But yeah, tell me if you got one. Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below and subscribe. And until the next time, bye.